Hey there, smart home enthusiasts! Have you ever found yourself locked out, or worse, unable to get in because your Schlage electronic lock just won't unlock from the outside? It's a frustrating problem that many Schlage users face, and trust me, you're not alone. But don't worry, in this video, we're going to dive deep into why your Schlage lock not unlocking from outside might be happening, and, more importantly, how to fix it with simple, actionable steps. We'll cover everything from simple checks to advanced troubleshooting, ensuring your Schlage lock is working perfectly again. Let's get that door open. Section 1. Initial checks. The basics. You can't miss battery check. 0-20. First things first, let's talk power. A dead or low battery is the most common culprit when your Schlage lock not unlocking from outside. How to check? Most Schlage locks have a low battery indicator. If you hear a series of beeps or see a flashing light, it's time for new batteries. Solution: replace with fresh, high-quality alkaline AA batteries. Make sure they are inserted correctly. Pro tip: always use non-rechargeable alkaline batteries for optimal performance and longevity in your Schlage locks. Keypad functionality. Bavodu roped 45. Is the keypad responding at all? Try pressing a few buttons. If unresponsive, this could point to a more significant power issue or a keypad malfunction. If partially responsive, ensure no buttons are stuck or damaged. Clean the keypad surface. Section 2. Code and programming issues. Incorrect user code 105. It might sound obvious, but double check that you're entering the correct user code. Common mistakes: typos, forgetting the code, or accidentally entering an old, deleted code. Solution: try another known working code if you have one. If unsure, you might need to re-add your user code. Programming glitch 130. Sometimes, the lock's internal programming can get a little quirky, leading to your Schlage lock not unlocking from outside. How to fix? Delete and re-add user code. Access the lock's programming mode. Refer to your specific Schlage model manual for the programming code and steps. Delete the problematic user code and then re-add it. Master code issues. Ensure your master code is correctly programmed and you're using it to make changes. Factory reset. Tupato surist. If programming glitches persist, a factory reset can often solve the problem. Caution: a factory reset will erase all user codes and programming. You will need to reprogram the lock from scratch. Steps for most Schlage models. Disconnect the battery pack. Press and hold the Schlage button, or outside button. While holding the button, reconnect the battery pack. Release the button after the lock beeps or lights flash. Test the lock. Visual aid. Show a demonstration of performing a factory reset on a common Schlage model like the Encode or Connect. Section 3. Mechanical and installation troubleshooting. Binding or misalignment. 235. Sometimes it's not the electronics, but the mechanics. Your Schlage lock not unlocking from outside could be due to door alignment issues. Check. Open the door and try to operate the lock. If it works smoothly when the door is open, the issue is likely door alignment or a binding deadbolt. Solution: check if the strike plate is aligned with the deadbolt. You might need to adjust the strike plate or door hinges. Loose components 3 and 4. Ensure all mounting screws for both the interior and exterior assemblies are tight. Loose components can cause misalignment and prevent proper operation. Tools: a Phillips head screwdriver is usually all you need. Don't over-tighten, just snug. Damage, wear and tear 315. Inspect the lock for any visible damage, corrosion, or excessive wear. Exterior keypad. Look for cracked buttons or a worn keypad surface. Deadbolt latch. Ensure the latch moves freely without obstruction. Special tips and FAQs: advanced troubleshooting and prevention. Wireless connectivity 335. For smart Schlage locks, like Schlage Connect or Encode, Wi-Fi or Z-Wave connectivity issues can sometimes affect remote unlocking, though typically the keypad should still function. Troubleshooting. Check your Wi-Fi signal strength near the lock. Restart your router and the lock itself. Schlage app issues 355. If you're using the Schlage Home app, Ensure it's updated to the latest version. Try force closing and reopening the app, or even reinstalling it. Preventative measures. 4.10. To prevent your Schlage lock not unlocking from outside in the future, change batteries annually or biannually with heavy use. Keep your door and frame well maintained. Regularly clean the keypad and exterior components. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to fixing your Schlage lock not unlocking from outside. We hope these tips help you regain control and security over your home. If this video helped you out, please smash that like button. Share it with anyone who might be struggling with their Schlage lock. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart home device tutorials and reviews. Got a question we didn't cover, or a solution that worked for you? Leave it in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Stay secure, and we'll see you in the next video.